Yes. The poor. The goals have gone down to the government. Yes. I went to school. I've been hearing that people are planning to come here. So I wanted to come to see myself. Oh, everything is going on. You know, we're prepared for election. We're prepared. That's what I want to hear. No, prepare for the election. 100%. It's an unmistakable for conclusion. Yes, sir. All right. Thank you for your support. What is important to me is that Rivers State has to be alive. It doesn't belong to anybody. I don't care who nominated you, but do the right thing. That's what is important today. Because if we make a mistake today, it's going to live with us forever. So, I thought they said, don't be in Kenya. Nobody has a right. This is Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission. It belongs to Rivers State. And I'm the governor. Yes. I'm the chairman. So if there's anything, let me know. I will come here myself. If any judge, no matter how pleasing, any policeman that is not authorized, just let me know. Thank you. Thank you.
Men are coming. I got the thing. I don't know if they come and say, come on. They know, or got the talk.
Our election will hold on the 5th of October. I'm aware that RSIEC told me they already had an order mandating them to conduct the election on the 5th and the security agencies to support them. So I think with that order, the election will hold. I might not be a lawyer, but I know that there is something they call first in hand. And since they have the first in hand, we will give them all the necessary support for that election to be conducted. And it will be one of the best elections ever held in Rivers State, free and fair in this state. Thank you.